Caterpillar salad is one of the tastiest dishes in the world. I love it because the cooking process is very simple. You can easily do it yourself if you will repeat after me. Let's go. First step. Gather a lot of caterpillars in your garden. It's very easy. Don't be afraid. They are very cute and fluffy. Put him to his green and yellow friends. Second step. Take cabbage, cucumber, carrot, pepper, tomato. Chop them together into pieces. Take the caterpillars and add them to the salad. Add some olive oil. Pour as much as you can pour. And mix it together. Final step. Serve and enjoy.